What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, it's the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You will be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here. King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee made King Hussle, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, No Rags, Just Riches, The Hustle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, and Sleeping with the Rain. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call, or if you don't, make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems. We are back at it again with the sauce. We are back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you are tired of being the zero, you ready to be your family hero. Listen up, take seats, get your pen, get your notepad, because I'm about to drop gems, and I'm about to help everybody win. Easy as that, all right? So without further ado, let's get into the sauce that's going to turn everybody into a boss, all right? So it's a lot of people out there that's looking to get rich. It's a lot of people that's looking to start the new year off right. It's a lot of people that's looking to start learning how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars. Right now, it's a formula that you got to follow to become successful. You got to understand that saving money is not going to get you rich. Investing money is what's going to get you rich, and investing in more than one product and having more than one hustle is what's going to get you through that door and over that hump that everybody has been stopped at. All right, now a lot of people are starting to become aware of the business credit. A lot of people are starting to become aware that you can get rich off business credit. A lot of people are starting to become aware that the easiest way to get a lump sum of money is walking into the bank and getting a loan. Now, a lot of people don't understand how loans, credit cards, and lines of credit work. A lot of people don't understand that when it comes to loans and credit, this is everything that's based on paper. That's on paper. A lot of people don't understand that. So a lot of people out there that just throw out a lot of crazy things. A lot of people out there that feel like when they start to get it's a lot of people that just don't know how a credit score is even broke down, all right? So when it comes to getting bad credit, personal loans and credit cards and business loans, credit cards and lines of credit, you have to understand this, that it's all based on the information that's on paper. They're going to go check your credit score. They're going to go check the debt that you have. They're going to go check your payment history. Do you got good payment history on this debt? They're going to check how long have you had this debt. Your credit history. They're going to check all that, because all that plays into a factor of if you're going to get approved for a loan and how much you're going to get approved for a loan, credit card or line of credit, right? So it's a lot of places out there that give loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. You have banks, lenders, and you have groups. 3 different places that give out major loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. Now, smaller banks and credit unions work with new small startup businesses and smaller businesses and people with bad credit. Bigger banks, corporations work with people with, bigger businesses and businesses that's already making money, that's already in the door, that's been established for X amount of time. So a lot of people don't understand that you can literally walk into the bank and get a $50,000 no-doc loan, new small startup business loan, $100,000, $150,000 with your new LLCs and EIN numbers. You just got to have the right documentation, right? So this is how you walk into the bank and get a $50,000, $100,000 no-doc loan with your new small startup business and your new LLC and EIN number. You have to follow these steps, because you can do this in a day, 2 days, 3 days, in a week. You can make it happen this fast. So first thing you got to understand is that everything is going to be leveraged from your personal credit. If you're going to use your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business credit, you got to understand that the debt that you have on your credit report is going to determine everything. If you don't have any debt on your credit report that you're paying on each month, you're not going to get approved for a loan. You have to show on paper that you can manage money, and how much debt that you have is the amount of money that you're managing. Now, a lot of people got to understand this. You got 3 FICOs: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Each one has different collections that's being reported, but it's all calculated into one number. So you might got 10,000 from Experian, 10,000 from TransUnion, and 10,000 from Equifax. And then when you look at your debt, you got $30,000 of debt. It's all calculated into one. So now that you got this bad debt, student loans, auto loans, mortgages, all this debt that you have on your credit report, a lot of people everybody's situation is not the same. Some people graduated high school and went to college and got a car and started paying bills and things like that. Some people graduated high school and did nothing. Some people didn't even graduate high school. So everybody's situation is not the same. So y'all gotta understand that. A lot of people think when you turn 18, you start off with good credit. No, you do not. You have to build and grow your personal credit. So you want to have a high limit debt on your personal credit with good payment history. A lot of people feel that they need to clean up all the accounts off their credit report, get no more debt, zero debt on their credit report. That's false, because if you do that, then you will no longer have any age on your credit report, and now you got to start all the way over. When you can finesse that age, add good debt to that credit report with trade lines, and now you got the age, now you got the payment history, and you got the debt that you need to get high limit credit cards, lines of credit. And a lot of people don't understand that. And a lot of credit builder gurus out there don't tell you guys that. And I'm going to be the one to tell you that. So keep that debt on there. You can always dispute and pay off smaller accounts to get points. You're going to get that 20, 21 points. Leave those older accounts on there so you can keep the age, right? So it can look good on paper. So let's say you got $50,000 in debt that you got on your credit report from student loans and auto loan, whatever credit cards, whatever you got going on. And you need to turn that into good debt. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to creditstrong.com. And creditstrong.com has up to $11,000 in trade lines that you can buy, installment loans. From creditstrong.com, you can go to a place called Magnum Credit, which will give you up to $30,000 in trade lines, installment loans. So now that's $41,000 you have that you can get up to from Credit Strong and Magnum Credit. So let's say you got that 50, you just bought that $41,000 in trade lines. That's $91,000 that you now have in good debt being reported, because you're paying on that $41,000 and it's calculated into that one number. So now it's not $91,000 is good debt on your credit report, because it's showing as good payment history, because you're paying each month off on it. You need at least 5 primary trade lines on your credit report. Primary trade lines and regular trade lines are different. Primary trade lines are accounts that are primarily in your name that you're paying off each month. And if you miss a payment on these accounts, then it's going to impact your credit score. Vice versa, credit trade lines from like creditstrong.com and things like that, those are payment accounts. Those are accounts that you're paying off. So basic savings accounts. So you basically put money into a savings account, making payments, just building your payment history. And if you don't make a payment, it's not going to affect your credit score or your credit or payment history. Vice versa with the primary trade lines. So you need at least 5 primary trade lines. You got the selfs, the ABLs, the kickoffs. Then you got the credit cards that you can get. You got secure loans and credit cards. And then there's also other credit unions out there that offer credit builder accounts that will also report as primary trade lines. But you got secure loans and secure credit cards. And these are loans and credit cards that you can utilize and leverage your own money as collateral to your credit score. So instead of walking to the bank and asking to borrow money, you're walking to the bank with your own money and you're setting your own limit. So if you got bad credit, but you got $10,000 that you can leverage towards your credit and get you a $5,000 loan and a $5,000 credit card, then your credit limit on your bad credit is now $5,000. And a lot of people don't understand that credit finesse move right there. So the next thing that you need to do, once you add all those primary trade lines, you need to have at least 2 credit cards on your credit report. So if you do get that small credit card, that bad credit card, that's cool, but you also need 2 credit cards. So you can also go to Trade Line Supply. Trade Line Supply is a site where you can buy authorized users. And authorized users are credit card accounts that you can buy to report to your credit report. They have accounts from $1,000 all the way up to $100,000. So if you got, let's say, $100,000 being reported to your credit report, from all those trade lines and primary trade lines, you go on Trade Line Supply and you get your $50,000 credit card AU account. You now have $150,000 being reported to your credit report in good debt. That's good debt because you're paying on these trade lines. You just turned that bad debt into good debt, right? So Once you got all these trade lines on your personal credit, you got at least 2 credit cards, at least 5 primary trade lines, you got good debt popping off. Now you need to get your LLC and your EIN number. Now, it's a lot of people out there that have gotten LLCs and they've done nothing with them. So if you have an LLC and you have not done anything with it in over a year, your LLC is not delinquent, which means you need to go file your annual report so you can get your LLC out of delinquency, because as long as it is in delinquency, you will not be able to get any money with it. So make sure you go file your annual report and get it out of delinquency. Once you do that, you need to go get you a business bank account, checking and savings with the smaller banks and the credit unions. No big banks, no Wells Fargo's, no Chase banks, no, smaller banks. So the credit unions and the banks that be in Targets and the Kroger's and the Walmarts, those are the smaller banks. Go mess with them, because they looking to give people money because they need business and they need to get business from you. So go mess with them, and they pushing them loans through with the bad credit. So once you got your business bank account, checking and savings, you need to start depositing money into that business bank account, because you need to show that your business is making some type of revenue. So by you depositing that money, when they ask for business bank statements and you show them that, and it shows that your money has made, your business has generated this amount of revenue this month, each month, you're good to go. Because a lot of banks, lenders, and groups don't care about your credit score. Money talks and BS walks, point blank period. So if you can show them that your business is calculating and generating this amount of revenue each month, they're not going to care about your credit score. They just care about you making that money and paying them back their money and making that money off of you. So you got a job, start direct depositing your work checks into your business bank account. If you have a hustle, a side job, or anything, start depositing money into that business bank account so you can start generating revenue and showing on paper that this business is making money. Remember, everything has to be shown on paper. A lot of people don't have the credentials or the information on paper to get approved, and then they go try to get a loan. They got to keep coming back and forth. No, have all this already together, so when you do go in there, you're going to have to get the run around and keep coming back 4-5 times and calling and emailing all this different type of paperwork. You already got it. So now that you got your LLC, your EIN number in your business bank account, you need to get your Dun & Bradstreet, which is going to allow you to track your business, track credit score, your Paydex, and your PayNext score. Also get your NAV Credit Builder, Business Credit Builder account, which is a business trade line. Also, you need to go to Yelp.com and you need to get your business in the public records. Then you need to go to the Better Business Bureau and get your business stamped in the public records through them. And then you need to go to Nextiva and get your business phone number, because once you go through Nextiva, that will also report to your business credit score as a trade line. And then once you get your business number, you need to list it and list yourself into the public records. All right, so now that you got all that, make sure you got your virtual address. You do not want to use your home address. Make sure you got your a business number. Make sure you got a business website, and you should be good to go. That's optional. A lot of people don't have websites nowadays. A lot of people use social media networks, websites as websites nowadays, and Shopify and all that. So that's optional sometimes, but it will help you get approved faster for a loan and more money if you do have that website. And make sure y'all do go put y'all businesses in the public records, because when they go search and they can't find your business, that's gonna be a problem. But if they go search and Google your business and it pops up, bloop, you good to go. All right, so that's what a lot of people miss out on. A lot of people don't do that, and they don't get approved, and they get mad like, I didn't get approved for the loan. You said I can. No, you didn't follow instructions. That's why I'm giving you these instructions so you can get approved. You can't skip a step and think you're gonna get approved. No. So follow all those steps. Once you follow all those steps, you need to go to a place called the LCF group. Now, this is not a bank. This is not a lender. This is a group. And basically, this is a crowdfunding group, which are private lenders, private investors that are working with businesses that, for people who don't want to go through the bank, point blank period. You got bad credit, don't got no credit, and you got a business and it's generating money, or you got a blueprint that's projected to make an X amount of money, they will lend your business, point blank period. All right, so LCFgroup.com, they helping new small startup businesses. At the LCF Group, they understand that the unique financial challenges small businesses face, whether you need a quick capital to seize a growth opportunity or a flexible funding solution to manage cash flow. They have you covered. Their mission is to provide businesses of all sizes inaccessible, hassle-free financial solutions that empower them to thrive, right? So why choose them? My quick approvals, get approved answers in as little as 2 to 3 hours, flexible terms, customizable repayment plans that will fit your business cash flow, Same day funding is possible because, like I said, they are private investors. That means they have the money on hand already. You don't have to go through underwriter or none of that. It's basically coming out of their bank account. No credit, no problem. They provide funding options even if you have bad or no credit. So if you're looking to get funding, you're looking to get up to $100,000 for your new small startup business, the LCF group is working with people who don't want to get the traditional loan, don't want to deal with banks, don't want to go through all that. All right, so make sure you guys go check out the LCF group. Make sure you guys follow those instructions, and I promise you, you'll get approved for the bag, and you'll be on your way to become a self-made millionaire easy as that. All right, so make sure, I'm gonna tell y'all one more time, because a lot of y'all don't be following instructions. A lot of y'all listen, but y'all don't be paying attention. Like, y'all hear me, but y'all ain't listening. Follow the instructions. People give instructions for a reason, because if you do the instructions, you will be successful at completing the task. If you skip one step or try to do something your way, it's never going to happen, because if you have been doing anything your way, then you'll be doing better in life. So make it make sense. All right, so with that being said, follow those steps, go get the bag, and let me know what you get. All right, shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Now y'all already know it's a couple of weeks left in the month of December, which means these prices will not be the same at the top of the year. January 1st, we're going back to regular prices. So with that being said, FaceTime 101 limit gems and credit repair lessons is $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 in your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know you payment ready, and we will go from there. No screenshot, no reply, and you will be blocked. All right, so don't miss out on the opportunity to get this deal, because top of the year they will be going back to $1,200. All right, one-time call. If you need my assistance from there on out, each month will be an additional $260. All right, so let's get to work and let's start getting paid. Also, if you can't afford the $600, get y'all a new age credit repair handbook for $260, Cash App or Bitcoin payment, which will give you step-by-step instructions how to clean your credit, build your credit, leverage your personal credit towards your business credit, get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, so on and so forth. All right, and you also will have the opportunity to become a certified credit consultant by the board, get your certificates, get all the templates that you need to dispute any type of collection letters, and you also will learn how to make your own primary trade lines. All right, so make sure y'all getting that. Also, make sure y'all getting your mentorship for the rest of the year. The price is $4,500. I will teach you how to get your first 100K loan, 50K loan. I will teach you the process, how to start leveraging your credit towards your to cash. I'm gonna teach y'all the game. I'm gonna teach you the ropes. All right, so get y'all mentorships $4,500, because top of the year they will be going back to $10,000. No ifs, ands, or buts. All right, so make sure y'all get y'all lessons while it's getting this little discount on for the holidays, because January 1st. We going back to regular prices. We going back to the regular speed. All right, 10,000 for mentorships. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in and getting that. Also, make sure y'all subscribe to the Telegrams, New Age Credit Repair, and the Matrix Code. You need any type of credit lessons or credit information, New Age Credit Repair. If you need any type of load ups, Cash App, Bitcoin, any type of linkables, cards, sites, methods, you name it. You need to learn how to make cash very fast. The Matrix Code, or subscribe to both if you need both. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women. So you got talent. You've been working hard. You got a portfolio. Hit me up on my IG. Let me see what you got. We're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, podcasts. A lot going on. Networking, making money, having fun. All right. So you got a good head on your shoulders. You ready to work? Hit me up and let me see what you got. All right. Come get your chain, come get your watch, and come get your signing bonus. Also, make sure you follow my second vlog channel, No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M. Make sure you follow me on IG, King Hussle X1M. Make sure you follow my OG main music channel, Milwaukee made King Hussle. Make sure you follow my second vlog channel, King Hussle 2.0. Make sure you go follow my merchandise, my clothing brand on IG, Bousquelet Department. That's Hustle Department in French. Got a lot of new joggers dropping soon. Got a lot of new apparel dropping soon, and kids apparel dropping soon. All right, so make sure y'all stay tuned, tap in. Top of the year, we got to go crazy. Make sure you follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you follow my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain, and make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all know how to get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.